Hello everyone, welcome back to Grey Pot. Today we are diving deep into the hearts of Kerala cuisine with a dish that's true delicacy, Venad Pal Konju curry. In other words, coconut milk prawns curry. This recipe is rich, creamy and bursting with flavors of Malabar. And this is the masterpiece recipe of world famous chef Suresh Pillai. First let's marinate the prawns with some pepper powder, chili flakes, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste and some salt. Mix it really well and keep it aside for 10 to 20 minutes. Then heat some coconut oil in a pan and fry these prawns till it turns slightly pink. Cook the prawns on both the sides. Once the prawn gets cooked, add some sliced ginger, some garlic, green chili, some shallots and some curry leaves. Saute it for some time. Once these shallots change its color, here comes the star of our curry, coconut milk. Pour it in the middle of the prawns, around 2 to 3 tablespoons. Add some coconut oil with some pepper powder and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes until the entire milk is evaporated. Then add in 2 more spoons of thick coconut milk. Saute that again. You can see after 2 to 3 minutes the coconut milk gets evaporated again. Again add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of thick coconut milk. Finally add the coconut milk with some curry leaves and saute that. If you want more gravy to the curry, you can add more coconut milk and make it thick gravy consistency like this. And there you go. The Chef Pillai special Venad Pal Konju curry is ready. Finally garnish it with some roasted coconut flakes on top. You can serve this curry with some hot steamed rice or appams for an authentic Kerala meal. Trust me, your taste buds are in for a treat. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!